A sexual risk order is an order made by the Magistrates' Court following an application by the police or the National Crime Agency. They're civil orders, therefore they're made on the balance of probabilities that a person poses a risk of sexual harm to the public. These orders can contain contact restrictions, prohibitions on use of electronic devices, which we see a lot in image cases, sexual communication with children cases, and also they can prohibit foreign travel, so they can have a significant impact on a person's life. Now, being subject to a sexual risk order does not mean that you have a criminal conviction, nor does it require you to sign the sex offenders register, but it can impact you and it can be recorded for DBS checks. So if your employer or future employer wants to do an enhanced check, then it may show that you are subject to a sexual risk order. In addition, if you are ever under police investigation, the police will have a record of that order and will see that you are subject to it. Now, breach of an order carries a maximum of 5 years imprisonment, so the consequences of not following what is set out in the order are very severe. How an order is made is once the application is lodged with the Magistrates' Court, the respondent will get a copy of that. I would strongly advise seeking advice from a lawyer in respect of that, who can look at the evidence that the police are presenting and to see whether there are any legal arguments to persuade the court that it's not necessary to impose that sexual risk order.